Are you looking to level up your cash flow? If you're not here for the cash game, this video would have vanished like yesterday's TikTok trend. So keep your eyes peeled, cause what I'm about to drop is pure truth, no cap. Ready to unlock that jackpot life and rock that bougie lifestyle? Then buckle up, cause we're about to hit the financial highway. Luxury cars, stunning companions, traveling the globe, and dining at the swankiest spots. It's all yours for the taking. But hold up, wait a sec. Maybe you're all about money stacking and financial freedom, not all that other BS. No worries, we got you covered too. So, quit being a couch potato and level up your cash game. Want to join the elite crew? Subscribe to the Nova Society channel, and let's ride this money train together. Trust me, it's gonna be one hell of a financial wealth building ride. Money is always moving. If you get in the right place at the right time, then you're going to get the money back. But you first need to understand how money works. Subscribe now.